I'm going to do the twisted rib stitch. If you want to do knit one, purl one, you go from the front to the back and then you'll yarn over. But with the twisted rib, I'm going to go to the back like that. Bring your yarn around, come down and up and off. And then purl, your yarn is in the front. And if you want to do regular purl, you go from the back to the front like that. But to do the twisted purl, you go from the back of the loop, back to front. Bring your yarn around, come down and up, and slide that stitch off. So I did a knit, purl, knit, and now I'm going to purl again.